Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to see Snapchat messages without the person that sent them knowing. So normally if you look at Snapchat messages, it'll say read, but I'll show you guys how to view them without them knowing that you've seen them. So first things first, make sure that your Snapchat app is updated. You can do that by heading to the Play Store or Apple Store and searching up Snapchat and making sure that it's updated. Now once you do that, you can head over to the Snapchat app. It'll bring you to the normal homepage right here. And what you want to do, you want to head over to your chats option, so your chat feed. And once you head over to your chat feed, you'll want to find the chat that you want to look at. So as you can see, your mom sent me a message, and let's say I want to look at that without letting her know that I've seen the message. What you want to do, you want to grab on their profile to the left of the message, and you want to drag it to the right. So if you do this, then it will drag out the messages like this. And as you can see all the messages without it opening the actual chat. So this takes a little bit of practice, but like I said, you just have to grab on their PFP and then pull it to the right. So grab on their profile icon or their character to the right of the left of the message, and once you do that, you can just drag it to the right, and that will open up the chat without letting them know. As you can see, the chat is still closed even after I do this. You can take up the entire screen and it still won't open the chat as long as you hold on to it. So this is how you do it. As you can see, it's still not opened. If I head into it right now, then it will automatically show that I've screen recorded it and seen it. But before that, it didn't send any notification at all. So that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe. Leave any questions you have in the comment section below. I'll do my best to answer them. And I'll see you guys next time.